Everyone says building a budget gaming PC for less than 150 euros is hard. They're lying. Here is the ultimate budget speed build. First, let's install the Ryzen 5 2600 that we got for 25 euro into our 30 euro MSI X470 Gaming Plus motherboard. Then we take our MSI motherboard and bolt down this Frozr cooler to keep the CPU freezing cold. Then we add 16 gigs of RAM, mount a cheap SSD in the back for fast boot times. It's literally just adult Legos. Now for the best part. Snap in your Gigabyte graphics card and lock the bracket down tight so it doesn't sag. Now connect the cables 3, 2, 1. What a transition. Look at that. Already looks a lot better. Now let's test if this 139 euros gaming PC actually works. Never mind, let's turn on the PSU. Would you build this yourself or are you buying a pre-built? Let me know in the comments.